I'm Amelia Stezoski, a senior double majoring in supply chain management and information systems technology. I came to Duquesne as a Discover Business student, and throughout my first 4 semesters I was really able to make the most of all of those core business classes and really figure out what I was looking for, and ultimately that was supply chain and information systems. I always use the word creativity to describe supply chain, but I think it definitely ties into just an innovative way to approach all of the things that go on from whenever a customer or a company buys something to that product finally getting in their hands. All of the supply chain faculty honestly are just so supportive in the classroom and also outside. A lot of them are advisors for different organizations on campus, which is great to kind of have their support. Being that resource to kind of ask questions for class, but then also get career advice, I think that was definitely something that I really benefited from, and it was great really hearing like their industry experience that they were able to bring to the table. So many of the faculty have really pushed different opportunities on campus, like conferences or volunteering at like case competitions, different organizations, so there definitely is a lot of urge from professors to kind of get involved, but they really are a resource and just want to share as much knowledge as they can.